A software company builds tools for customers. The company wants to use AI to increase software development productivity. Which solution will meet these requirements? A. Use a binary classification model to generate code reviews. B. Install code recommendation software in the company's developer tools. C. Install a code forecasting tool to predict potential code issues. D. Use a natural language processing (NLP) tool to generate code. Correct answer, B. B. Install code recommendation software in the company's developer tools. A retail store wants to predict the demand for a specific product for the next few weeks by using the Amazon SageMaker DeepAR forecasting algorithm. Which type of data will meet this requirement? A. Text data. B. Image data. C. Time series data. D. Binary data. Correct answer, C. C. Time series data. A large retail bank wants to develop an ML system to help the risk management team decide on loan allocations for different demographics. What must the bank do to develop an unbiased ML model? A. Reduce the size of the training dataset. B. Ensure that the ML model predictions are consistent with historical results. C. Create a different ML model for each demographic group. D. Measure class imbalance on the training dataset. Adapt the training process accordingly. Correct answer, D. D. Measure class imbalance on the training dataset. Adapt the training process accordingly. Which prompting technique can protect against prompt injection attacks? A. Adversarial prompting. B. Zero-shot prompting. C. Least to most prompting. D. Chain of thought prompting. Correct answer, A. Adversarial prompting. A company has fine-tuned a large language model, LLM, to answer questions for a help desk. The company wants to determine if the fine-tuning has enhanced the model's accuracy. Which metric should the company use for the evaluation? A. Precision. B. Time to first token. C. F1 score. D. A word error rate. Correct answer, C. C. F1 score. A company is using Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, with Amazon Bedrock and Stable Diffusion to generate product images based on text descriptions. The results are often random and lack specific details. The company wants to increase the specificity of the generated images. Which solution meets these requirements? A. Increase the number of generation steps. B. Use the mask_image_black mask source option. C. Increase the classifier-free guidance, CFG, scale. D. Increase the prompt strength. Correct answer, C. Increase the classifier-free guidance, CFG, scale. A company wants to implement a large language model, LLM, based chatbot to provide customer service agents with real-time contextual responses to customers' inquiries. The company will use the company's policies as the knowledge base. Which solution will meet these requirements most cost-effectively? A. Retrain the LLM on the company policy data. B. Fine-tune the LLM on the company policy data. C. Implement Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, for in-context responses. D. Use pre-training and data augmentation on the company policy data. Correct answer, C. C. Implement Customers' Knowledge Base. C. Implement Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, for in-context responses. A company wants to create a new solution by using AWS Glue. The company has minimal programming experience with AWS Glue. Which AWS service can help the company use AWS Glue? A. Amazon Q Developer. B. AWS Config. C. Amazon Personalize. D. Amazon Comprehend. Correct answer, A. Amazon Q Developer. A company has developed a generative text summarization application by using Amazon Bedrock. The company will use Amazon Bedrock automatic model evaluation capabilities. Which metric should the company use to evaluate the accuracy of the model? F. BERT score. B. F1 score. C. Area under the ROC curve, AUC, score. D. Real world knowledge, RWK, score. Correct answer, A. BERT score. A company is developing a mobile ML app that uses a phone's camera to diagnose and treat insect bites. The company wants to train an image classification model by using a diverse dataset of insect bite photos from different genders, ethnicities, and geographic locations around the world. Which principle of responsible AI does the company demonstrate in this scenario? A. Fairness. B. Explainability. C. Governance. D. Transparency. Correct answer, A.